Autonova wireless inflatable multifunctional machine known as the model DKMF138. As we open up the unit, we'll show you what you get inside. We have a USB A to C cable that will charge the machine up, demonstrating with the power bank charging the machine with the USB-C port located on top. We are at 47% and the battery is charging. We have the jump start cables that will plug into the top of the machine, that will plug into this port over here correctly. It will tell you if you're connected or not. We have a tire inflator. When you open up the product, on the back of the unit will be where the hose is at, located right here. And you can see the different types of inflators that you have for a raft to screw on, and for basketball, volleyball, soccer ball, and so on. The only difficulty is getting the hose out. It comes out with just a little bit of finesse, and then you close up the door, you locate where you need to spin this on, and you're ready to go pump up. We need to give some air to the tire, 32 psi's. Raise it to the proper psi you need it to. For 33 psi, hit the on. And when it completes, it'll blink and shut off and unscrew. If your car ever needs a boost, simply just hook it up. Connect your negative. See on the unit is flickering. Connect your positive. Demonstrations only and only. You're going to turn the unit on and you're going to boost. You're given this nice bag that the unit will fit in. You can place everything in and you can store it away in your vehicle. If an emergency or anything you need to do, like charging up a phone, you grab the power bank, plug in a cable, and pick for your device to plug in. There is a light that you simply just hold on to the button and the light comes on to the wall. Again, you got 6 lights on the front and the top light shuts off. You have to basically long press it to shut it off and long press it to go on, and continue to press it to get the things to work correctly. Battery booster, tire inflator, emergency light, anywhere you need to take this unit, as long as you got the jumper cables with you, you'll be out of trouble. I hope this product may be something that you're looking for to give somebody on the road a safer journey. I hope this product may be right for you.